How to delete call history in Android device. Hey guys, in this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete call history on your Android device. Having a clear call history is essential as it prevents others from seeing who you have been in contact with. Whether you want to remove specific calls or wipe out the entire log, I've got you covered. To get started, open up the phone app on your Android device. Then you need to click on these dots on the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see an option of delete entries. Click on it. Once you are in delete entries option, you can select any contact you want to delete. Or you can select all and delete them all. Once you select them all, click on delete button over here. This is exactly how you can delete call history on your Android device. So that wrap up this tutorial. If you have any question about the whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.